If you're ready to refresh and organize your space, Hobby Lobby is here to help. Stepping through your front door into a neat and tidy entryway sets a calming tone for the rest of the day. Keep the space organized with baskets that store your everyday essentials at the ready and out of sight. A few quick and easy changes can make a big visual impact. Add new accents here and there, refresh your floral arrangements, and swap in colorful pillows. A command center can help your household stay on top of your busy lives. Customize chalkboards with vinyl, stickers, and magnets to fit your family's needs. Hobby Lobby is your one-stop shop for all kinds of kitchen storage. Set up your cabinets so everything is easy to access with dish organizers. Clear jars and containers are great for keeping pantry staples fresh, and tiered trays mean they're visible at a glance. Here are some tips for making your home office work for you. Hang memo boards for helpful reminders and to-do lists. Streamline your productivity with office supplies that free up valuable desk space. From baskets and bins to kitchen storage and office organizers, there's always something new to discover at Hobby Lobby. Start your home refresh today by shopping in-store or online at hobbylobby.com.